few days after I graduated, one of my mom's friends got me a graduation gift, and this was one of the gifts. Allow me to read a couple pages of this interesting book. When you are 13 years old, the heat will be turned up too high and the stars will not be in your favor. You will hide behind a bookcase with your family and everything hunted. You will spend years pouring an ocean into a diary. When they find you, they will treat you like nothing more than a spark above a burning bush. Still, tell them, despite everything, I really believe people are good at heart. I just wanted to share that. If I had to rate this book out of 5, based on those few pages, I would give it a 5 out of 5. It was very interesting. Speaking of rating things, that's what this video is gonna be about. Today's video or topic is me reviewing the Sukin ballet slippers. You guys are probably like, Nicole, you don't do ballet. And it's true, I don't. A reason why I got these ballet slippers is because I am coming to a level in figure skating now where I have to do off ice more. I had took like online ballet classes before with sneakers on for my off ice, and I did it twice, one with sneakers and one with socks, and I found socks to be better because my feet had more freedom to like bend and move than I would with a sneaker, because my sneakers grip to the floor, which means it's doing its job, so that's not a bad thing for the sneakers. So yeah, that's why I bought these slippers. I mean, I could do it in socks in the basement. Here's the thing about the basement. So the basement is pretty much like a storage room pretty much. So you got the Christmas tree down there, for example, my old backpacks down there with my old school stuff, you know. So in other words, we don't really clean that floor so often. So you could imagine how I would feel when I fall off the spinner and land on that ground. And again, who am I to say? I'm probably being over dramatic because I am a germaphobe. So yeah, that's literally my reasons why. First off, before I show you these slippers, I just wanna let you guys know about the basic information about them. First off, I ordered them from Amazon. Second off, it's a split sole. And third, you have a choice of picking 2 colors. Pink, which is what I got, but there's also like a skin tone-ish type of color. I'm gonna quit blabbering now and show you these slippers. So I've been actually really excited to receive these. Like, if you asked one of my 2 closest friends who knew about this order, they would agree with the fact that I was really excited to see this. But yeah, here is the package. For some reason, they stapled here, which means I have to like open it this way and then like do this and like take these slippers out. So I don't know why it's like that, but it's not that bothersome. So yeah, I'm gonna take these out. And this is my very first time actually feeling these. Now that these things are out, I am going to show you guys some features of this, I guess. Here are the 2 slippers. As you see, the elastic bands, there's 2 of them. And inside, I don't know what this is called, so sorry if you're like cringing if I say something, if I use a terminology wrong. I am not a dancer. But yeah, as you see, this thing, it's not fully attached, but it feels pretty tolerable. I also have these strings on the top for you to pull on to make it tighter around here. Here's also a sticker that I am going to remove because I don't see a point of a shoe having a sticker. Time to do what all dancers do, mark a shoe from left and right. I hope that does not go on my foot later. Right now, it feels kind of roomy, but nothing that these elastic strings cannot fix, so I'm going to tighten them. So now I just tighten them, and they fit like pretty much perfectly right now. And if you're planning to order this, I would recommend you order a size up. Like, for example, I am a US woman's 8, so I had to order a 9. So yeah, if I order an 8 for these shoes, these would probably be like extremely tight right now. These are legitimately perfect. I am going to walk around in them to see how it feels. Looking back at the footage, these slippers held up pretty good. So this is actually going pretty great for a $7 worth of ballet slippers. They're also pretty flexible, so that's a plus as well. But I only tried it on a very soft carpet. I am now going to test these ballet slippers out on what I would usually do my off-ice at, the basement in hard floor. So I'll see you guys there. Alright guys, right now I am in the basement and I just stretch and walk around with these slippers for 10 minutes now, and they feel quite different. And by the way, I'm wearing socks with these. Yeah, they feel quite different, but then again, this is literally my first time wearing ballet slippers, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get used to them after a while. Yeah, now I'm just going to actually do some ballet stuff, I guess, because right now I am doing off-ice training, so I might as well just give these a shot and I'll just record. Alright guys, so I just finished doing my off-ice, pretty much off-ice ballet training on my new ballet slippers. They were pretty good. The slippers did its job. If I had to rate this out of 5 stars, I would give it a 5 because I pretty much got what I ordered. The only complaint I have with these is that the thing I showed you guys earlier in the video, that actually feels weird, but then again, not that bothersome, so I can be able to tolerate it. But other than that, it's really good. I did not have to mess with the strings at all. And yeah, I really recommend you guys to buy the slippers if you're in my situation, or if you just need some cheap ballet slippers now. Link to that product is below. And yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a like. If you guys have any questions about this shoe, please comment that down below. If you want to see more of me, please subscribe. And I hope you liked this video. Cheerio.